Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up face recognition on Samsung Galaxy A22. Let's go! Okay, so the only thing we need to do is we need to go to settings, then scroll down a little bit here to lock screen. Then what we do is your screen lock type, we write down your PIN, continue, and we press face. After I click continue, you have to scan your face. After you've done it, your face will be added automatically. So I'm going to show you, but after, I will click continue, but you won't see it because I won't show you my face. But if you did, you will scan your face, and that's all. Here, look, registering your face. You need to, as you can see in light, do it in light. As you can see, I already done it. Done. And now if the phone is locked, here is my face. As you can see, I unlocked it. Okay guys, thank you for watching it. Have a good day. Goodbye.